Okay, this is a message to anyone who would like to have free cell phone service. I joined a company called Tempo Wireless, and I'll tell you, it's the best move I've ever made. I told a few of my friends, they got involved, and my service is free. It's as simple as that. All you do is sign up for service, and I'll make you a promise. You sign up for service, put your name on my list, and I will also help you get your 3 people that you need to get your service for free. It could happen in a week. It could happen in your first month. For me, I made a payment on my bill for 3 months, and now my service is free. I only pay $4.80 a month for tax. That's it. I can do the same for you. I'm using the Sprint network. I had a choice of Sprint, T-Mobile, or Verizon. I went with Sprint because of the price plan and also the data. But it's all unlimited. So now at $4.80 a month, it's really a great deal. So join me. My name is Mark. You can call me, 910-581-5805. You can also text me at that number. That's my cell phone. So call me or text me. Come join my company. Join with me. I will help you get your services for free. If you want to be a rep, I'll help you get started there too. If you just want service, I'll help you get started there also. You tell me what you want to do, and I'll help you get there. I'll talk to you soon. Hope to hear from you. Bye-bye.